Hello all. My name is Dmitry Sidyaka. I am a program chair of mechanical engineering in the School of Engineering UBC at London. It is my pleasure to welcome you today and give you a quick introduction of our mechanical engineering program. First of all, what our program is and what options are available within the program. We start with a simple diagram that indicates that mechanical engineering field overlaps quite substantially with other fields of knowledge, including civil engineering, electrical and computer, biology and chemical engineering, physics and mathematics. The field of mechanical engineering is very broad. And in our school, we're offering very many courses within this program that include biomedical, thermodynamics, fluid and mechanics, mechanisms and machines, manufacturing, material science, mechatronics, robotics, and very many other courses. We offer the core program of mechanical engineering, and we're also offering more specialized options within mechanical engineering. These options include mechatronics. These options include biomedical engineering, aerospace, and we also offer a minor in computer science and management. What can you expect out of our degree? Well, the way it is structured, it is a 4-year degree. In the first 2 years, you'll be studying engineering basics, but in the year 3 and year 4, you go into more specialized subjects within mechanical engineering. I can give you a couple of examples of these year 3 and year 4 subjects. One of these is a 4th-year elective course, which is called Computational Fluid Dynamics. It's a very advanced course, very popular. And the course is about using supercomputers to understand turbulent flows. A 3rd-year course, an example of this is our manufacturing processes course, gives a student an option to work on, well, first of all, they study very many processes and technologies within industry. But also, we have a course project here in which students design, calculate, and build a project, a unit, built with their own hands. They machine this unit in our highly specialized machine shop, and students do all the work themselves from beginning to the very end, manufacturing what they have designed. What can students expect out of their engineering experience? Well, we have very many clubs within the school. These clubs include motorsports. These clubs include Canadian Society for Mechanical Engineers, Mechatronics, Aero Club, and 3D Printing Club, and many others. The life of our students is quite rich. And it's all not about studying. We do a lot of research within the field of engineering. All faculty members, all professors do research, and each professor has their own research lab in which they develop their field of mechanical engineering. They have research teams, which includes their graduate students, master and PhD level. The teams also include postdoctoral researchers, but also quite a few undergrad students hired as our research assistants. These undergrad students do a lot of practical work in our research labs with materials, with characterization, preparing sample, with everything, gaining so highly valuable experience that positions them very well in the employment market. What industry demands nowadays for mechanical engineering? Well, the industry demands a lot of knowledge in very many fields of engineering. And very many industries hire our students, hire mechanical engineers. This includes automotive, aerospace, biotechnology, computers, electronics, and the list goes on and on. In fact, I cannot imagine an industry that would not hire mechanical engineers. Because of the depth and the width of the knowledge they possess, mechanical engineers are at high demand pretty much everywhere. And what are the career options? Well, because so many industries are hiring, you may find mechanical engineers pretty much everywhere. In any industry, in substantially big industrial enterprise, there will be mechanical engineers on staff. And they are quite generously compensated for their work. There are several selected employers on this list showing you the range of salaries, but more importantly, the progression of these salaries over the years of your employment. All in all, after 5 to 10 years of your employment, you should expect receiving anywhere from $70,000 to $80,000 a year. I want to use this opportunity to make a personal statement based on my almost 40 years in industry or in the field of mechanical engineering. I started long ago being an engineer, and the areas of my engagement in engineering were changing, continuously changing, from thermal energy to metallurgy to materials to nuclear physics, automotive and aerospace, and it's all within the family of mechanical engineering. I enjoyed my career greatly. I enjoyed every day of my work. And I cannot picture a more rewarding career that offers you a chance to develop something new and to see how it actually works in improving people's lives. My name is Dmitry Sidyaka. I'm a fellow of Canadian Academy of Engineering, and I am a mechanical engineer. Once again, welcome. Thank you for being here today with us. And the faculty and staff will be more than happy to answer all the questions that you may have. All the best to you.